Today, we're talking about ways to become a millionaire fast. There's no magic formula that will make you a millionaire overnight. But there are some things you can do to increase your chances of reaching your financial goals faster. In this video, I'm going to share with you 8 proven strategies to become a millionaire fast. These are all strategies that have been used by successful people to achieve their financial goals. So, if you're serious about becoming a millionaire fast, then be sure to watch this video until the end. I'm going to give you all the information you need to get started. 1. Start saving early. Start saving early to take advantage of compound interest. Compound interest is when your earnings start earning their own earnings. Over time, this can lead to significant growth in your savings. For example, if you start saving $500 a month at age 20 and earn a 7% annual return, your savings will grow to over $1.37 million by age 57. Of course, the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. So, if you can save more than $500 a month or start saving at an even younger age, you'll be on track to reach your financial goals even faster. Here are some tips for starting to save early. Create a budget and track your spending. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Set financial goals. What do you want to save for? A down payment on a house? Retirement? Once you know what you're saving for, it will be easier to stay motivated. Automate your savings. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you'll save money without even having to think about it. Starting to save early is one of the best things you can do for your financial future. By taking advantage of compound interest, you can grow your savings over time and reach your financial goals faster. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos on wealth creation tips. 2. Avoid unnecessary spending and debt. Don't spend money on unnecessary things, especially if you're using a credit card with high interest rates. Before you buy something, ask yourself these questions. Do I really need this? Do I already have something similar? Do I want this more than I want to become a millionaire? Every dollar you spend on something you don't need is one less dollar you can invest. If you invest an extra $25 a week for 40 years, you'll have an extra $277,693. Can you cut $25 of unnecessary spending out of your weekly budget? If you can, it will go a long way toward helping you reach your financial goals. In other words, don't waste your money on things you don't need, especially if you're going into debt to buy them. Instead, invest your money so that it can grow over time and help you reach your financial goals, such as becoming a millionaire. Here are some tips for cutting unnecessary spending. Create a budget and track your spending. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Set financial goals. What do you want to save for? A down payment on a house? Retirement? Once you know what you're saving for, it will be easier to stay motivated. Avoid impulse purchases. Wait 24 hours before buying something to see if you still want it. Shop around for the best deals. Compare prices online and in stores before you buy something. Cancel unused subscriptions and memberships. Cook at home more often instead of eating out. Rent items instead of buying them. 3. Save at least 15% of your income. The percentage of income left over after people spend money and pay taxes is called the personal savings rate. According to the Bureau of Economic Analysis (BEA), the average personal savings rate for Americans in July 2023 was 3.5%. However, experts say that this is not enough to save for a comfortable retirement, let alone to become a millionaire. Financial planners recommend saving at least 15% of your annual gross income for retirement, depending on your age. This figure may seem ambitious, but it is not necessarily unattainable. For example, if your employer matches 401k contributions up to 6% of your salary, you only need to save 9%. 4. Make more money. It can be difficult to save 15% of your income if you don't make enough money. Here are a few options to increase your earnings. Ask for a raise at work if you think you deserve one. Work extra hours at your current job or get a second job. Invest in additional training to increase your earning potential. This is the best option in the long run, but it may require a short-term investment of time and money. For example, if you are a licensed practical nurse LPN, you could train to become a registered nurse RN. RNs earn an average of $81,220 per year, compared to $54,620 for LPNs. This extra money every year could help you reach your financial goals, such as becoming a millionaire. Here are some additional tips for increasing your earnings. Network with people in your field. Attend industry events and connect with people on LinkedIn. This can help you learn about new opportunities and get your foot in the door at new companies. Develop your skills. Take online courses or workshops to learn new skills or improve your existing skills. This will make you more marketable to potential employers. Start your own business. If you have a great business idea, you could start your own business and be your own boss. This can be a great way to earn more money, but it is also a lot of work and risk. 5. Don't give in to lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is the tendency to spend more money as you earn more money. This is a common problem for people who get promoted or start a new job with a higher salary. You may feel like you need to upgrade your lifestyle to match your new income. This could mean moving to a bigger house, buying a nicer car, or taking more expensive vacations. However, if you want to become a millionaire, it's important to resist the urge to give in to lifestyle inflation. Instead, focus on saving and investing more money. You will reach your financial goals much faster if you don't spend all your extra money. According to the 2023 Retirement Confidence Survey, only 22% of people are very confident that they're doing a good job of preparing for retirement. One way to improve your retirement readiness is to avoid lifestyle inflation and focus on saving more money. 6. Investing. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow thanks to compound interest. For example, if you invest $300 a month starting at age 25 and earn an average annual return of 11%, you could be a millionaire by age 57. If you continue investing for another 10 years, you could have a nest egg of $3.2 million. And that's just from investing $300 a month. Even if you're in your 40s or 50s, it's never too late to start investing. Start where you are, even if you can only invest a small amount each month. Every little bit helps. There are many different types of investments available, each with its own risks and rewards. Some of the most common types of investments include stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you are buying a piece of that company. Stocks can be a risky investment, but they also have the potential for high returns. Bonds. Bonds are essentially loans that you make to a company or government. In return, you receive regular interest payments and your principal back at the end of the loan term. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks, but they also offer lower returns. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are baskets of stocks and bonds that are managed by a professional investment manager. Mutual funds offer a way to diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. Exchange-traded funds. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but they trade like stocks on an exchange. ETFs offer a low-cost way to invest in a variety of assets. 7. Get help. Retirement planning can be stressful because there are so many investment options available and you don't know what the future holds. Only 18% of Americans are very confident that they will be able to retire comfortably. Unless you are an expert in finance, it is worth working with a qualified financial advisor to create a personalized and workable retirement plan. A financial advisor can help you choose investments, create a budget, and make plans to reach your goals. They can also help you make your retirement savings last once you start spending it. Here are some of the benefits of working with a financial advisor. Personalized advice. A financial advisor can take the time to understand your individual financial situation and goals and create a plan that is tailored to your specific needs. Expertise. A financial advisor has the knowledge and experience to help you choose investments that are appropriate for your risk tolerance and time horizon. Objectivity. A financial advisor can help you make objective decisions about your finances, free from the emotional biases that can sometimes cloud our judgment. Support and accountability. A financial advisor can provide you with support and accountability as you work to reach your financial goals. If you are serious about planning for a comfortable retirement, working with a financial advisor is a wise investment. 8. Put your plan on repeat. To become a millionaire, you need to let time and compound interest do their magic. Compound interest is when your earnings start earning their own earnings. Over time, this can lead to significant growth in your savings. To reach your financial goals, you need to stay focused on the small things over the long term. This means staying out of debt, investing regularly, and avoiding lifestyle inflation. Even after you become a millionaire, you should continue to do these things. This is how money-smart people stay wealthy. Becoming a millionaire takes time and effort, but it is possible. By following these tips, you can reach your financial goals and live the life you want. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.